Hello, everyone. Dear friends, in this video, I will show you a strategy that even shocked me. As a professional trader who has been trading on various stock exchanges for many years and has experienced both losses and gains, I know that relying solely on indicators for trading is wrong. However, I will teach you a style of trading that has never been optimized in this way in any educational videos and that you have never seen before. You won't believe the success rate because you are about to encounter a strategy that creates almost no losses. Please carefully apply the indicator settings and the rules of the strategy this time. I won't ask you to hit the like button or subscribe and share. Watch the video until the end. And if you truly believe it's an effective strategy, as I claim, then promise to follow through with these actions. Let's get started. We will be using free TradingView indicators. Don't leave the video to see how we can win with these popular indicators, because we will be opening consecutive trades. Whenever the conditions are met on the chart, witness the profits yourself. Yes, after adjusting the indicator settings, let's move on to our rules. Rule 1. For long or short positions, it is a strict rule that the chop indicator must drop below the 45 line. Condition met for Rule 1. Rule 2. For a long position, the RSI indicator must be above the green-colored 50 to level line. For a short position, the RSI indicator must be below the red-colored 48 level line. Condition fulfilled for long position RSI. Rule 3. When the conditions are met in the lower indicators, a trade is opened at the closing level of the first closing candle. Note, if this candle is a doji, it is not valid. Rule 4. The stop-loss level should be placed behind the candle that the trade is entered on, or behind the previous candle or the last swing, according to your risk tolerance. Rule 5. If a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio is achieved, the stop-loss level should be pulled back to the entry point. Intraday traders can close the entire trade at this reward ratio. My friends, as you can see, we executed trades in a challenging sideways market and achieved fantastic results. In trending market conditions, these success rates are bound to be even higher. I am now starting to work on generating much more effective strategies quickly after publishing this video. If you liked the strategy, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Goodbye for now. Take care.